Welcome to the Pathfinder Stock Market Trainings. I am Yogeshwar Vashishtha. Hi guys, when I was selected for my IIT, my father said to me, 16, 17 I was, he said, son, stay away from bad habits like smoking, drinking, drugs, stock markets. And I said, Dad, what is stock market? He said, some sort of gambling. Till the age of 38, I knew nothing about the stock market. Don't make that mistake. It's an amazing profession. Do you know in US, in Europe, there are full-time traders who do it for a living. The way there are doctors, there are engineers, there are traders. And it is a very scientific profession. If you understand the fundamental analysis, the technical analysis, the risk management, and why should you become a trader? What are the advantages? You are dependent on nobody. No travel required. No minimum qualification required. You don't have to work under anybody. You don't have any boss. You don't have to handle any employees. You can do it from home. You can do it on your mobile phone, and it is very easy to earn about 10 to 15,000 rupees per day if you know how to trade an option. And it doesn't matter whether the price goes up or the price goes down, there is a chance to make money in both the directions. And once you become, good at it, you are very skilled at it, and you can trade options, you can even do directional neutral trades. And it's not that you only have to become a trader. You can work under a trader. You can become a proprietary trader. And there are a lot of other opportunities that will open up. So it is a very serious field like being a doctor or an engineer, and there is a lot of money into it. So, do you want independence? Do you want to live life on your own terms? Give this profession a try, become a trader, come to Pathfinder's trainings. We will train you to become a trader. But be ready to work hard for 3 to 6 months. There is no shortcut to anything. Definitely not for making money, but if you want to make a lot of money in a career where your dependency on anybody else is zero, come to the stock market and become a trader.